This tutorial is brought to you by our Mubadara channel. Kindly visit the channel on YouTube for more information. Voice explanation is provided throughout the video from a text-to-speech converter. Basics of vectors. A vector has the ability to represent both magnitude and direction simultaneously. A scalar quantity, on the other hand, only represents magnitude and not direction. This is a vector. This is its magnitude. And this is its direction, from A to B. We can name this vector with a letter, such as small, bold, A, or underlined, A, if writing this by hand. We can also call it vector AB, since it goes from A to B. It can also be written down as column vector, like this. The place above represents movement to the right or to the left, through the squares of the paper. I move 3 steps to the right from A to reach B's y-axis. I moved 3 steps to the right, so positive 3, but if I had moved 3 steps to the left, that would have been negative 3. Positive number is for movement to the right, and negative number for movement to the left, and since I moved 3 squares to the right, I must write positive 3 in the place above in the column. Now the place below represents movement up or down. To reach B, I move 5 steps up. Up is positive, and down is negative. Since I moved upwards, I write positive 5, but if I had moved downwards I would have had to write negative 5. This is how I write down column vector for a vector. Now, another example. This is vector BA. Find its column vector. 2 steps to the left, negative 2, 2 steps downwards, another negative 2, so this is its column vector, negative 2 and negative 2. Now, this is another vector, vector AB. We know how to find its direction and column vector. We need to find its magnitude. The magnitude is how long the line is. Notice that if we draw 2 lines we get a right triangle, and the magnitude, or length from A to B, is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Now you can easily work it out by using the Pythagoras theorem. We know the length of the 2 sides, 4 and 7 squares, as we previously found, so now we can easily work the hypotenuse out. The hypotenuse is equal to approximately 8.1 squares, so this is the length from A to B, so this is the magnitude of our vector. We can also conclude that the magnitude of a vector is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the 2 numbers in the column vector. It is better if you remember this time-saving trick. Check the results. They are the same, approximately 8.1. Some quick exercises. Pause the video, solve them, then press play for the answers. Thank you for watching. End of my first tutorial on vectors basics.